Every day of the week, 24/7, we coordinate 100% of the shipments in and out. We check documentation for customs, VAT, bills of lading, CMR waybills. Very important each day that we make transfer releases from seller to buyer, acknowledging their sale and purchase. Extremely important part of our business. Conditional to unconditional. We issue holding certificates and warrants. Neutrality and keeping matters strictly confidential is the essence of our business. That is trust. Trust in us. Clients are worldwide, Asia, North America, South America, all over Europe. We are their eyes and ears. Clients depend on us. We instruct the truckers, the shipping lines, the warehouses, our customers and VAT partners. They are essential in the whole process. With so much going on all at once, it is essential our principals trust us, trust our performance, trust our expertise, and trust our judgment. The commodities are very expensive these days. We have a large sense of duty and are aware of our big responsibility. Trust is not limited to our business. Trust continues in maintaining good relationships. How do we build trust? Be impeccable with your word. Speak with integrity and say only what you mean. We acknowledge the client's requirements. And trust is built over the years with steady performances that function as a foundation to build on that trust repeatedly, day in, day out. We build trust based on our expertise and knowledge of the overall logistics process. We have a personal attention to detail. Preparation is everything, and we impose a duty on ourselves to do our best each day. If you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. I may be a freak when it comes to structured work and tidiness, but it's not about the tidiness itself. It is about what is behind it, what it stands for. That says everything about my motivation, my passion, and the love for my work. We have so many experiences in the past 45 years, but one that stands out is my first boss, Hans Baas. He gave me a small present in 1984 when I left the company McGregor Corey. I did not fully realize at that time it was the logo of one of the largest and highly respected warehousing companies in Rotterdam. But during the golf days of the London Metal Exchange Golf Association back in 1993, I won the Gold Cup, and that was sponsored by the same company. Most people thought it was hilarious. It was supposed to be a secret, but the next day everyone knew. Also because I was one of the few foreigners privileged to play with the London Metal Exchange Golf Association.